So want to make logging in your website easier for users. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Google account login on Wix editor. So if you want to log in your account, maybe if you want, you can actually log in through your Google account, and it's much easier. So what you need to do to enable this setting on Wix is head over here to your profile, click here on your profile, and then here you have account settings. And then here, make sure you scroll it a bit down, and then here you have social logging. So make sure here you enable Google account. That's how I'm actually signing in or connecting or logging in on Wix is through my Google account. So yeah, I hope you found this short video helpful. If you have more questions about Wix, let me know in the comment section. And if you found this short Wix tutorial helpful, subscribe for more tutorials and like this video. So thanks for watching and take care.